Hi, hi friends. Hope you're doing good. Today I would like to take a tour to our factory, and I would also be explaining you about each and every machineries and how we manufacture a modular fitted furniture. Okay, please come along with me, and I will show you how our facility is there. Our production facility is spread over across 6,000 square feet of area, carpet area, and we have different sections in our factory for production. So this is our production facility. We have a panel saw machine here, edge banding machine. We have a boring and drilling machine here. Another view of a panel saw machine here, and the edge banding machine here, and we have a pasting machinery here, and also we have one more boring and drilling machine. So how we go ahead and taking the production facility and what kind of raw materials we use. We use a standard quality, very high quality raw materials. To show you, we are partnered with Everest Ply Club, and they offer you 25 years of warranty, and this is BWP marine grade product. Which offers 25 years warranty, and here it is a calibrated plywood, which we use for the kitchen, and the same thing we use for the MR grade neem and Gazim core plywood for the other areas, wardrobe and other areas. So a thorough view of our facility, and here once we receive the technical drawings from the after the design finalization, we break that drawings into a panels size, different panel sizes according to the cabinet required, the production for the required for the production, and we also optimize the materials so that we use the very high quality glues or the processing materials to make your each modules. So let me explain you how after the drawing is finalized, the designs are finalized, and we get it, we first do the cut list, we optimize the panels, and accordingly we also get the laminates also. So here are different laminates what we get, and once we get the laminates, we put it across, we put the laminate pasting, we put the pasting here. We spread the glue with the roller so that there is equal quantity spreading of the glue, and then we paste the laminates. Currently what you're seeing is the strip work we are doing. We are partnered with Virgo Lam. We are also partnered with Merino and various other brands also. Once after we do the pasting, we use the high quality Pidilite master glue for the pasting, and later we put it in the cold press for up to 8 hours, minimum of 8 hours. So here in this machine there is a more than 15 tons of weight, 50 tons, see that J50, 50 tons of weight pressure being put on this plywood, and this will ensure the equal spread of all the glue, and it also ensures the air bubbles will come out of the ply, and with this cold press and the heavy weight, it will get laminates get sticked properly. So after that, after the pasting is done and it is properly dried for almost 8 hours, we take it to the next process of panel resizing. And cutting. Here we use millimeters as our standard measurement. Unlike carpenters work on the inches and the 1/8 inches. Here we millimeters. You see our scale here, it's completely on millimeters. And here in this a German machinery called Altendorf. We use the high speed. Here if you see this panel saw, the blade runs at 3000 rotations per minute, and the bit, you see the teeth of this machine, the drilling machine, the blade is got diamond edge, and with this we get a very high precision cut. If you see now, currently there is a chamfering of the shutters happening, and this is the kind of chamfering which has been done. So once after the resizing is done in this machinery, you can see the sharp edges. There is no chipping of laminates at any corner. Okay, everything will be very very sharp, very perfect, and you see the finishes here. It's very nice, very proper cut, because the rotations of the blade is up to 5000 rotations per minute. Okay, you get this proper right sizing, and there is no chipping also. So later, after these panels are resized, now you see this entire lot of panels here are resized and kept here. Now we do the edge banding. Edge banding is a PVC material, which is used to cover this place. Okay, and with this, in this machinery, if you now, we're going to show you how the edge banding is going to happen here. Okay, there is an instant heating of the machine happening here. The blue pot here, if you see, the tape will be fed into this machinery, and the operator will feed the materials, the panels, and instantly the PVC edge banding is pasted onto the cut panel. Okay, cut panel, and trimming has happened. Trimming happening, and you can see the corner edges here immediately. And the advantages of doing this is, there is no exposed panel. All these edges of the ply panel are being sealed with the PVC edge banding, and there are different thicknesses of edge banding used in our process. For the shutters we use 2 mm thickness of the edge banding, and for the carcass we use 0.8, which is inside. Okay, so once the edge banding is done, to assemble these panels, we use the KD, we use the Minifix fitting. There are different colors of edge bandings available, and all these edge bandings will be closest match to the colors of the shutter and the carcass which we use. Okay, the closest match, because this is a PVC material, and the carcass, the laminate is a different material. So we will get a closest match, and we will try to match it with up to 90% color matching. We do the edge banding here. So once the edge banding is done, we use put it into a Minifix fitting machine. Now here I will try to show you. We use the boring and all. So to assemble, there are different kinds of assembly of cabinets there available here in the market, in the industry. One is the KD fitting, second one is the screw fitting, and the third one is the Minifix. The Minifix fitting is the internationally accepted fitting of the cabinets, and we use Hettich hardware to assemble them. After that, there is a thorough QC done by their team here, so that to ensure the cabinet properly cut and reused. Then we stick them. After the proper QC of each cabinet is done, we put the stickers and labels to them. Then we do a flat packing. Flat packing of all the project materials are done. With the corrugated board, with the soft corrugated board, and the same corrugated board can be reused in the side for the flooring covering and all. And with this packing, there will be no damages to the the panels, processed panels, and it's also easy for the carpenters for the assembling of the cabinets at the side, and transportation also it will be easy with this kind of flat packing. So here is our view. Okay, we do a lot of strip works for the wardrobes also. Like currently you can see there's a different color combination which has been done, and here one of my team member is also working on the strip work and optimizing on the material here. So this is our overview of our factory. Thanks for being with me, and I mean hope you enjoy and got a right overview of our factory and the process how we do at a factory. Thank you very much.